Okay, apparently the city has been doing some clearing out of my favorite walking path in the park. As I'm looking for some of my favorite wild edibles are they popping up over there? Yeah, I have to check, but this is why a good stick is useful because now I have to go and check it out. I believe right there at the end of my stick goes on ramps. Um, let's investigate, and this is a good opportunity for me, but I was on one track and then I turned around and saw another. So let's see if we can navigate this is what a good walking stick is used for, and you'll see why I'm digressing a little bit, but where I was going with it. My jacket that I'm wearing right now is caught on some stuff, but that's all right. I could probably move it, but yeah, these look like ramps here. They're starting to come up, and I'm gonna pick one. Yes, they are. Those are ramps right here, coming up. Excellent. But they're very, very young. So those are them. In this area, they do pop up, but I'm seeing lots of creeping Charlie that's coming to life again. But I digress. So there they are. That's what I was looking for. I can see now that I see some on the landscape. Now I'm looking around. I'm seeing more pop up. But anyways, what I was going to be getting back at was that, again, this is an opportunity for those people that are looking for a walking stick or something like that, and you're in the urban area, and it's an urban park. Again, this piece of wood here, you could do many things with this. I think from here to here would be a good bow stave. We do have a notch here. A skilled bowyer could work around this and make a pretty decent bow out of this, right? And they cut down things and just leave them. Even this stick, after finding where the ramps are coming up now, early spring, even this stick has been cut down, right? So this stick has been cut down. So this tree could be used into something, so yeah, there's always opportunity to find stuff. You don't necessarily have to live necessarily in the woods, and since the city in their all their wisdom is just gonna let it lie here and rot, heck, why not take advantage of it? So anyways, we found some rants right there where the tip of my stick is. Yay, they're popping up despite the fact that we had about a week ago of snow. So they're coming up. Nature will thrive. There's more over there I can see. So if I come back in a week, they'll even be larger and probably ready to harvest. So it'll be about that time. And in this area where I'm at, there might even be some morels. So anyways, yeah, there we go. Just wanted to share that with you right quick. Okay, now look at this on the trail. I know what this is. This is a wild grapevine, or most likely Virginia creeper, either one. But it's completely pliable. The snow is melted. It's got fibers going on. This would be awesome raw material for basket weaving, cordage, lashing. This is awesome, right? And then even if it dries out, and I'm doing this one-handed, forgive me. Even if it dries out, look at that. See, that's how you could test if something's going to be good for cordage or tying stuff up. And it's long, so I may take this back with me. And if it dries out, all I have to do is just reconstitute it in hot water, and it'll be just as pliable again. There's some tendrils, so I'm suspecting, and here's the tendrils. I'm suspecting this is going to be my camera to focus. I'm suspecting this would be wild grape. So they fall down, and yeah. So just walking in the woods or a trail in the city, you'll find finds if you know what to look for. So no, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this will be good for something, and it's free, if you know what to do with it. So, towards the end of my walk here, we notice some tree fibers that have been worn down after the winter snow melt and been ran over. These are perfect fibers to work or twist or twine. They happen in the inner city all the time. Easy peasy.